Before buying LED headlight bulbs, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1. Headlight H11 S6 Pro. Let's kick things off with the Headlight H11 S6 Pro bulbs. What caught my eye was the incredible 10x brightness increase compared to standard bulbs, and at $49.99, it's positioned as a solid choice. If you want unmatched visibility while driving, this is worth a serious look. These bulbs boast 66,000 lumens, meaning you'll see everything clearly on the road, enhancing your safety. Their advanced 16 high-power chips provide stable and efficient illumination, which is essential for those late-night drives. And if you've ever dealt with poor heat dissipation, these bulbs have a 9-blade fan design that improves heat management by 150%. This helps ensure you won't be replacing bulbs every few months. Now, some users did mention that installation can be tricky if you have a tight housing space. Here's the thing though, once you get them in, they perform like a dream, so I wouldn't let that stop you if you're looking for long-lasting brightness. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a bulb that offers serious brightness without the hassle. Skip this one if you need a quick, no-fuss installation because it might take a little finesse. Product number 2. Headlight H13 S6 Pro. Next up is the Headlight H13 S6 Pro bulb, priced at $39.99. This caught my attention due to its stunning 2,000% brightness increase over traditional bulbs. If you want a bulb that lights up the road while saving some cash, this one's worth considering. With 66,000 lumens, it provides a super focused beam pattern that illuminates a wider range, making night driving noticeably safer. It's also designed to be CA bus ready for 99.9% of vehicles, so you won't have to worry about compatibility issues. Plus, the installation takes only about 3 minutes, which is perfect if you're not the most mechanically inclined. However, I did notice a few complaints about flickering on some sensitive models. But honestly, most users didn't experience this, and for the vast majority, it's a straightforward plug-and-play upgrade. Just make sure to check your vehicle's compatibility before buying. This is a great choice if you want bright, reliable lighting on a budget. Skip this if your vehicle is one of the few that struggle with CA bus compatibility. Product number 3. Franksy H11/9005 combo. Then we have the Franksy H11/9005 combo, retailing for $39.99. The first thing I noticed was how easy it is to install. It's plug and play. If you're looking for hassle-free lighting, this is worth a serious look. These bulbs produce a combined 32,000 lumens and deliver a brilliant 6,000K cool white light. This brightness makes night visibility much clearer, which is crucial for safe driving. The 12,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan ensures that the bulbs won't overheat, extending their lifespan significantly. Plus, they're compatible with 99% of vehicles due to their built-in Smart IC driver, which is a huge plus. That said, a few buyers experienced flickering issues, especially in luxury models. But most found them to be reliable. If you're not driving a fancy car, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, effective solution for improved nighttime visibility. Skip this one if you have a high-end vehicle that might be more sensitive to compatibility. Product number 4. Thermitre 9007/HB5 bulbs. Next is the Thermitre 9007/HB5 bulbs, priced at $59.99. With an astonishing 110,000 lumens, these are some of the brightest around. If you want the ultimate in visibility, take a closer look at these. These bulbs promise a 1,500% brightness increase, making them perfect for those who drive in poorly lit areas. With a lifespan of over 70,000 hours, you won't be swapping these out anytime soon. Their 1:1 size design means installation is a breeze, and they're built to withstand all weather conditions with an IP68 rating. However, I found that the price is on the higher side compared to others. But here's the thing. The performance and longevity could save you money in the long run by reducing replacements. This is ideal for anyone who drives a lot at night and needs maximum visibility. Skip this if you're looking for a budget option and don't mind changing bulbs often. Product number 5. Thermiter 9005/9006 combo. Finally, we have the Thermiter 9005/9006 combo, going for $42.99. I was impressed by the 140,000 lumens this pack offers, which is impressive for off-road enthusiasts. If you want superior clarity on rugged trails, consider this option. These bulbs emit a crisp 6,500 K daylight white light, enhancing contrast and visibility dramatically in harsh conditions. With an IP68 waterproof rating, they're built for the elements, ensuring durability when driving through mud and snow. Installation is a cinch and takes just 3 minutes. The only downside is that some users found the beam to be a bit too focused for on-road use. But honestly, if you're an off-road driver, this feature is beneficial as it helps illuminate the path ahead without blinding oncoming traffic. This is perfect for you if you want reliable lighting for off-road adventures. Skip this if you primarily drive on highways and need a more general light spread. So, to wrap it all up, we've looked at some fantastic options. The Headlight H11 Pro for its brightness, the Headlight H13 for budget-friendly performance, the Franksy combo for easy installation, the Thermiter 9007 for maximum visibility, and the Thermiter 9005/9006 for off-road clarity. Each offers unique benefits, so pick one that meets your driving needs.